More news that's breaking this minute. While speaking exclusively to Mirror Now, Tamil Nadu government has now clarified over the latest Chennai Civic Body order on home isolation for those to undergo COVID test. The newly appointed State Health Secretary Radhakrishnan has said that the order was well-intentioned but was incorrectly interpreted. He added that the idea behind the order was to prevent the spread of infection until the test results arrive.
It has been incorrectly interpreted. Intention was very good, and I'm sure the Corporation Commissioner will clarify that position also. What is happening is nowadays it takes almost 24 hours to give the result. By that time, many positive people get into contact with several others. So the intention is at the time of testing itself, they are advised to be in home contact. But once it becomes negative, only for those who are in containment area and those who are in the very poor localities, there we give them an opportunity to continue home quarantine.
Let me bring in my colleague Pramod, who's joining me live with those updates. Pramod, a very important clarification of sorts really coming in from the Tamil Nadu government, clearly saying that this is well-intentioned, but it was wrongly interpreted. But the larger question of this being used to curb the spread of virus, will that be achieved, or will it deter people from coming out and getting tested?
Well, to simply say the thing is that nobody actually misinterpreted the statement. Even Radhakrishnan, we put forward that the statement as giving only this particular, information that anybody who's coming to get tested in such a kind of fever clinic, they will have to undergo 14 days of isolation, not just them, but their entire family. Well, he said, he very clearly mentions that the Corporation Commissioner will provide a clarity because until now, there is no such clarity on the issue. And then he goes ahead and says that, they're trying to provide an opportunity for people to stay in home quarantine. The statement does not claim about providing an opportunity to them. The statement only mentions that it is mandatory for 14 days home quarantine. And that is why, we are asking this question because just like you mentioned, the first and foremost thing that is happening here is that it seems to be discouraging the people to come and get tested, especially in a city like Chennai, for instance. If yesterday Tamil Nadu had 1,800 plus positive cases tested, of which 1,400 was from Chennai. So if they are trying to say that this is a containment strategy or they are trying, it is of good intention, they are supposed to also provide a clear explanation as to what will happen if the patient turns negative. Only it takes 24 hours for them to actually, they say that, give the results, and that's why they are doing it. Or is this step being taken to actually reduce, community spread? That we don't know, because until now we've kept constantly asking the authorities, is there any community spread? On one hand, the Chief Minister says that there is no community spread, whereas the Health Minister says that only the centre can provide the details. But so far, having almost 1,400 positive cases every day in the city of Chennai, it is extremely troublesome here.
All right, Pramod, appreciate you joining us and giving us all those updates.